Okay, today we are going to conduct practical 7B, which is mammalian anatomy. Today we are going to dissect this rat. Okay, before that, my name is Aina Sahira, with Zainal Azlan, and my matrix number is 187230.
My name is Foong Shien and my metric number is 187113.
Okay, now let's proceed. For today's experiment, we are going to dissect this rat. Okay, the body can be divided into 4 parts, which is the head, the neck, the trunk, and the tail. Okay, there are 2 pair of limbs, which is the hind limb and forelimb and the hind limb. Okay, the whole animal is covered with hair, which is a principal characteristic of mammal. But the tail bearings of scale. For the head region, we can observe the nostril here. Okay, the nostrils are located near the mouth, and we also can observe the eyes. Each eye has an upper eyelid, lower eyelid, and a nictitating membrane attached to the anterior edge. Okay, we also can observe the internal ear located behind the eye. And we also can observe the external ear, which located behind the eye. And then we also can observe the vibrissae, which is the long and stiff hair that present around the mouth, and eyes that function as tactile sense organ. Okay, next is the mouth. Okay, we can see that the mouth has a cleft upper lip. The upper and lower incisor teeth are present, but the canines are premolar or absent. The neck region. Okay, for the trunk region, we can see the anus. We can see the anus lies at the base of the tail, and you also can see the secretal sac. Okay, from our observation, we can see that this is a male rat because it has secretal sacs. The penis is present anterior to the testis, and is enclosed in a loose sheath, which is prepuce. Okay, then we can see the forelimb. It has four claw digit, and you can also observe 2 hind limb, which has 5 claw digit. Okay, below the secretal side, we can see the anus, the hole here.
Pinning, we pin the limbs of the rats here, 4 pin. Then we start dissect. So we like this pinch apa ni?
The skin.
The skin below it, and we make a small incision here. Then we have removed all the skin, so we pin it aside. Then after this, we're going to cut the muscles to observe the internal organs of the rats. dissect in, so we can see the internal organs here. So from the upper part, this is the trachea, and here the heart. Behind the heart, we have lungs on the both sides here. Then these large loops are the liver. Then below the liver we have the stomach, and here is the spleen. And here this is the intestine. This is the pancreas. This is the large intestine. So below it we have
Kidney. Where's the kidney?
kidney here, right? Yeah,
There.
you can see
Oh, okay.
kidney. And this is after the testis, testis, and this is the
Scrotum.
scrotum.
Okay, what is this? The white duck.
Ureter.
Ureter.
Ini apa? This is the brain. Finally, Aina took it out.
Yay.
Yay!
Okay, this is the brain, which we remove out from the skull. In the general, a brain is subdivided into three regions, which is prosencephalon, which associated with the olfactory organs, mesencephalon, associated with the eyes, and rhombencephalon, which associated with the inner ears. Okay. For the prosencephalon, there are three, which is A, the olfactory bulbs, B, cerebral hemisphere, and C, the hypothalamus. For the mesencephalon, cerebral peduncle is formed by a huge of fibers through the floor of mesencephalon, which is tegmentum. Okay, for the rhombencephalon, there is cerebellum, which is large, rounded shape, posterior to the cerebrum hemisphere on the dorsal side of the brain. And the second is medulla oblongata, which is myelencephalon. The portion of the brain posterior. The posterior end of the medulla oblongata decreases and joins the spinal cord. Okay, now we are going to take out the organ, because later we are going to preserve this organ and prepare slide from each of this organ. Okay, now all the organs have been removed out from the body. Okay, this is the organ. This is the liver, the lung, the testis, kidney, large intestine and small intestine. This is the heart.
Then we're going to rinse this organ with NaCl solution. So this is NaCl solution. Put it into here. Oh, then we like this. To remove the excess blood before it is put into the formalin. After we rinse it with NaCl, so we're going to put it into the water filled with formalin. So this is key, so we put it into
According to the label. Okay, bye-bye kidney. Yeah?